In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note and refund in Xero. A credit note lets you reduce or reverse charges on a customer invoice. For example, when an item is returned, a service is discounted, or you've billed the wrong amount. By the end, you'll know how to create the credit note and apply it so it offsets an invoice or supports a refund through your normal banking workflow. Start by opening the sales area in Xero. This is your hub for everything invoices and customers. From there, go into invoices to view your list of issued bills. This is helpful because you'll often be crediting an existing invoice, and it keeps all the related documents together. Next, choose New Credit Note. This creates a new document that mirrors an invoice but reduces the amount owed. Begin by selecting the correct contact. Use the search if needed, and make sure you pick the exact customer linked to the original invoice. Accuracy here ensures the credit can be matched and reported correctly. Enter a clear reference. A great practice is to include the original invoice number and a short reason, like return of goods or price adjustment. This makes your audit trail clean and helps anyone on your team instantly understand why the credit exists. Now select the item or items to credit. Choose the product or service, set the quantities being credited, and confirm pricing and tax treatment match the original sale. If you're issuing a partial credit, adjust the quantities or amounts accordingly. Add a brief description noting the reason for the credit to provide context for both you and your customer. When everything looks right, click Approve. Before you do, double-check totals and tax so you don't have to reverse and reissue later. Approving finalizes the credit note and makes it available to apply. You'll then see the allocation screen. Enter the amount to credit against the appropriate outstanding invoice for that customer. You can apply the full amount or just part of it if only a portion needs to be offset. This step tells Xero exactly where the credit should go. Finally, click Allocate Credit. Xero records the allocation, reduces the invoice balance, and updates customer statements. If you're providing a cash refund instead of just offsetting an invoice, this allocation ensures the credit is recognized in Xero. You can then complete the actual payout during bank reconciliation so the money out matches the credited amount. That's it. Your credit note is created, approved, and properly applied, keeping your customer balances and reports accurate.